Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 8,104 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with slip-on mufflers, smoked front turn signal lenses, a windshield and windshield trim, 12-inch handlebars, aftermarket grips, chrome hand controls, shift pegs, shift rod, foot brake pedal, engine heat deflectors, passenger footboard covers, a luggage rack, and lift-to-ride fuel door, timing cover, and derby cover. From Harley, it comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, cruise control, reverse, and CB intercom connections. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers dependable power with 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque on tap. If you're looking for a comfortable, powerful factory trike with classic styling and comfortable amenities, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty.